two contact screws here that creates the circuit and rings the bell. Now this is low voltage, so you don't really have to worry about getting shocked. Little Phillips. Gonna loosen these contact screws. And pull it off. Now somebody has put a jumper here. Obviously they couldn't get the wires to be long enough to work. So the way that we test this is just go ahead and complete the circuit. Now we take our new doorbell, go ahead and loosen the contacts. And we're going to wrap around the contact screw and tighten it down.